Let's go ahead and move back into our chairs for a little bit of deep breathing to finish class for the day. Get our mind set along with our body and trying to ease any anxiety we might have. You can close your eyes if you haven't already. Allow your legs and arms to rest easily in position as we take a nice good breath in. Nice, good breath out. Relaxing those thoughts, relaxing your mind, and just coming back to our breath that's oh so familiar, oh so calming, and can bring us so much peace from just a few minutes focusing on it. In our meditation today, let's focus deeply on our breath. And what I want us to focus on specifically is the exhale. Making our exhale as long as we comfortably can. So as we breathe in, that breath comes. And as we exhale, I want you to think about making it as long as possible. Almost as if that exhale will never end. Breathing in, nice long exhale. And as you continue to practice this, I don't want you to force the exhale. That's a common mistake that can happen. It should literally feel like your breath is just falling out of your mouth. And the more you let fall out, the more comes in behind it. And you relax that breath, you relax that tension, and you relax every single thing about it. Go ahead and breathe in, and then practice that long, deep exhale. Through your days, if you're trying to ease some anxiety and stress, what I challenge you to do is to come back to this breath. And when you come back to the breath, knowing that the longer the exhale is, the more relaxed you can be, is so empowering. Big breath in and big breath out. Whenever you are stressed, come back to this exhale. Twice as long, 3 times as long, doesn't matter. Just let the breath come in naturally and then flow that exhale. Feel the relaxation come from you. Let all that anxiety melt away from your body. Let's go ahead and spend some time together being present in our exhale and really, truly focusing on making that exhale as long, as calm, and deliberate as possible. Go ahead and practice this breath. Go ahead and finish your last exhale. There's no rush at all. Feel free to take another one if you would like. As I take some time to remind everyone here how just a few moments of careful, deep breathing can change your day and make you feel so much better. Let's take our final breath in as a class. Let that exhale flow out naturally, non-forced. And as we exhale, slowly we can open our eyes back to the center. Whenever you're comfortable and ready, we're all finished for the day. Thank you all for coming. Have an awesome, peaceful rest of the day, week, and we'll see you next time.